Hello friends, I know you all are busy filing your GSTR 9C returns. Many of our members are facing issue in generating the JSON file to be uploaded on the GST portal. So last year, that is in 2019, we came up with a solution called GST 9C Signer, where certain macros of the department offline utility were modified to make the process smooth. Now this year, we have come up with a research version of this utility called GST 9C Online, where you can fill up the complete 9C data online, validate it, and directly generate the signed version of the JSON file, which you can upload on the portal. So let me take you to this new page. Now the first step is that open Chrome or Firefox browser and open the website ERP Cloud Analysis. You can Google search it, or I have even included its link in YouTube video description. So let me open this because I have already bookmarked it, and let us go to visit index and launch this 9C online. So just ensure that you are able to communicate with mSigner. So if you are unable to communicate, you can just go to help FAQ section, and the settings you need to change in your browser has been demonstrated. Okay, so let us start by filling up some 9C. So let us first go through the 9C. So this is the same 9C which you find in Excel template along with the macros implemented directly on the web page. So you can see multiple tables divided into multiple parts. So instead of tab wise, I divided it part wise. Let's start filling and select here and select your part B1 or B2. Okay. As soon as you select this, you can change the fields applicable to that parts changed. Okay. So for me, part B1 is applicable. So I'll select yes. See, the fields have been changed. Okay, let us select it. Fill up the table number 5. So friends, if you wish to save your progress anytime in between, you can just click save draft and save it. You can even rename this draft file. Okay, no need to keep the same name. Okay, so I will keep this file on my desktop only. Now I will skip this video so that the complete data has been filled up. Okay, so I have completed filling up this 9C. Now let us validate it. So I'll click validate. Okay, some validation errors are found. Let us go through each and every part and find out what validation errors are there. Now there are two types of validation errors. One with blue are optional. So it is based on some best practices. Like there is a difference unreconciled turnover. So it is expected that you write some reason. I'm just writing some dummy text. Okay, let us check. I think error are there in part 5. Okay, select date. So date of signing. Let us say I'm signing it on 27/09/2019. I'll complete this. Part B1. Let us see. Okay, have obtained all and were in agreement. You can just one click copy this address to principal place of business. So just click here and this gets directly copied here. Okay, no need to write manually. Okay, now I selected collection from drop down but not written the collection. I think this is not applicable. And now I think this is observation coefficient in 9C. Okay, I guess I completed it. Again, let us press validate. Okay, validation successful. All errors have gone. So now let us apply the DSC. So I'll click here. Now many times this signing window gets at the back side. So just minimize all the windows and again reactivate this. So I'll click sign. Okay, so friends, signed file has been generated. I will save it on the desktop too. So friends, you can upload this signed version. Okay, signed version of the file on the GST portal. Now friends, it may happen that you have already filled up 9C data in Excel offline template and you experience some issues. So you now want to fill up and get your JSON generated through ERP Cloud Analysis utility page. So now you don't need to fill up all the details one by one manually. There is a special button, import button for it. So just make sure you save this Excel template file, close it, and just import that Excel template directly from this site. So I'll select this and click open. Okay, so all this data is now already pre-filled. One more feature I would like to demonstrate. Now I have seen many times all the data is correctly filled up, but your JSON file gets rejected at portal just because these figures of annual return which you have to mention here are not mentioned correctly. Like there are many times I found few paise or rounding of errors or 2 3 rupees errors. So there is a facility to pre-fill the 9 figures. So just click on import GSTR 9C. So first you need to download PDF or JSON file from the portal of already filled up annual returns. So and browse it. Okay, so I will browse this PDF file and let us click open. Okay, so now this information is now directly filled. So can you see these figures are automatically filled up. Even client GST number and financial year is automatically selected. So I hope your JSON file was accepted by the GST 9C portal successfully without any errors. So friends, I would really appreciate if you could help us by contributing any amount you feel suitable voluntarily. Let me make it very clear, voluntarily, so that the burden of the cost associated with maintaining this project, like server charges or many charges are there, gets shared among us. You can use all the functionality of this website even without paying any charges. But let me tell you, even a small help can be of great use.